In this video, I'm going to show you how to go back to previous years in Google Maps Street View. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to an internet browser and we're going to type in Google Maps and hit enter. Then you're just going to head over to the standard Google Maps website, and using the search box at the top, you're just going to either search for an address or a destination where you want to go back in time. So for this demonstration, I'll just be using this random address over here. And then what you need to do is just drag this yellow man in the bottom right hand side of the screen to bring it over to the Street View. So now that you can see the Street View in the Google Maps, you can obviously move around and rotate the camera just like you would normally. And now in order to go back in time and see previous years in this Google Maps Street View, what you need to do is click on see more dates next to the date at the top here. And then down in this bottom navigation, you'll have all of these dates that we can travel back in time to. So for this particular address, you can go all the way back to 2010. And as you can see, this is what this street looked like over 10 years ago. Now for some addresses, you might not be able to go back in time. It really depends on the destination that you're trying to look at, and in some cases you'll even be able to go back further than 2010. It really just depends on what Google have in their records. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.